Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to uninstall in your unnecessary apps. So today I'm explaining how to delete permanently your hide apps. So just I'm go control panel and program, click program and uninstall the program. Okay, just I don't need YouTube apps, so just click and uninstall, and also delete Chrome and youtube.com. so just I'm remove your YouTube apps, so I don't need TeamViewer apps. So I click uninstall and remove settings, click uninstall and wait for response. So if you try just confirmation uninstall feedback, I will alternative solution. I don't know TeamViewer, so I don't use TeamViewer. Just submit. Okay, thanks for your feedback. So come back again later. So I hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.